Freewing A4. I've flown it once. Andy sold it to me a long time ago. I repainted it.
It looks bigger with that white scheme. I like that.
Oh, this is a pretty good sized airplane. All right, going up. I think I've got everything set now. Going up. Well, there's not too much elevator. Let's see now. Oh, it's flying down a little bit. Let's see now. How's it doing? Well, it's not flying down too much, but I'm flying too much to the right. Let's see now. Those ailerons are pretty effective even at that rate, you know it?
Mm-hmm. It's flying pretty good. Make a slow pass.
That's what I was going to do.
Too slow.
Yeah. Yeah. I think I could take a little bit more aileron out of it.
I wouldn't. You're doing all right.
Now I just put
add a little expo.
I just put first stage flaps on it, and it did affect it a little bit. Yeah. Now I don't know if I got full flap or no flap. Let's see. Now, okay, I did. Well, it's flying down now.
Well, go by me slow.
All right.
Flaps are down.
Okay. All right, well, Andy, I'm going to go ahead and try to come in.
Okay. Here, guys.
I'll put stage 1 of flaps on. Boy, that thing...
Right. Don't put any more flaps.
No, I won't.
Full of power. That's off. Doing good. Great. That's good. Stop.
Whoa, whoa, what do you know?
You did it. Good job.
And what to think about?
Good job, buddy.
Oh, yes, okay.